Hello there. Here is the speaker system that I am selling. As you can see it right here. And then the subwoofers down here. It might be hard to see because of the lighting. But just a little demo. I am using a Canon T2i camera, so the sound isn't going to be the greatest because it's just recording from a picture camera. So this is just a little demo. The left speaker right here, it's like a little speaker, and the right speaker right here are the only issues with this surround sound system, and it's not with this soundbar. This soundbar is in perfect working condition. It has, I believe it has something to do with this subwoofer not letting the left and the right channel output the audio from there. Everything's coming out of the center channel, so like when you watch Netflix and stuff or movies, I heard about 80% of the sound comes out of the center channel. So here's a song that I'll play so you can kind of hear the way it sounds. As you can hear, everything's coming out of the middle only. But the bass on it is really good. You still get like a lot of sound on the middle one. So it's still under warranty, a 1-year warranty with Sony. I bought it about, I think, 3 months ago. So I believe you'd be able to call Sony to have them fix it. I just didn't want to go through the trouble shipping it out and all that, so I'm just selling it as it is. Let me put on a Netflix movie for you. Log into my Netflix account. So it is definitely a good surround sound system or soundbar system. Definitely one of the best I've ever had. You get a lot of good sounds out of it. So let me just have this start up. Netflix. Let's try let's just try Married with Children. Here we go. So you can see how it sounds.
You could really hurt someone.
There's no audio coming out of there.
No, stop, stop, please.
Everything's coming out of the middle one.
Well, there's a sound I haven't heard before.
Oh my God. I can't move my legs. I can't move my legs.
That's not true. They're twitching.
I really think I'm gonna need some help here.
So as you can see, that works fine. Let me show you a game on the PS3. Let's try Battlefield 3, one of my favorite games right now. Definitely one of the best sounding soundbars that I've come across so far. I haven't tried the Bose or Polk Audio soundbars, but I do like the Sony one, and they're supposed to be like 3D ready. So give me a second, let the game start up. And remember, I am recording on a Canon T2i camera, picture camera, so I'm not gonna get the full, surround sound out of this video. I'm not sure how it's even gonna sound after I listen to it on my computer. I just wanted to show you a little demo of what you're buying. There we go. As you can hear the sound coming out still. The only thing I have noticed that when I was playing Uncharted, sometimes I had a little bit trouble hearing the people around me, so I had to put on my subtitles. That was the only time I ran into issues playing the game. So just want you to be aware of that. I am not going to be able to play with one hand. I just want you to hear the sounds.
Make sure we get good track on their radar before you fire. Take out those positions.
Alright, there you go. There was a little demo of it. Hope this video helps you out at all. If you have any questions, go ahead and send me a message through my eBay. Alright, good luck guys.